Good morning, nature. Poem by Otlile. Good morning, Mother Nature. What a wonderful morning this is. With birds singing over our heads, the sun shining in bright red, telling us to get out of our beds. I promise you'll see the beauty. With beautiful flowers in different colors, I promise you'll see the beauty. With birds flying way up high into our beautiful blue sky, I promise you'll see the beauty. With our beautiful blue oceans bringing nothing but clear emotions, look outside, see the dew, I reckon, please do. See Mother Nature's beauty come to life, I promise you'll feel alive and hail its beauty. Good morning, Mother Nature. If you want more videos like these,